Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today, happy Sunday to you all, my beautiful subscriber. Today I'll be unboxing my new microphone that I bought from Amazon. Here you go, guys. And this microphone is NPTCL wireless microphone. And today we're gonna try out this microphone and push this out. Put my unboxing. So guys, here it is. So here. Yes, you guys. And this is it. It's already in charge. And here it is in the kit. 3 of them. One for the plug into the phone, and one to put on the mic to put onto your shirt receiver. So I'm gonna. And you also have the this is the muff to control the airflow. So you clip it on like that, and then put onto your shirt. Onto your shirt like that. And guys, this is the part for the smartphone. This one here for the smartphone. This is your carry to put your microphone into. Little accessories like UBS adapter and Type-C charger. So if you want to charge it another way, guys, this one looks good. This microphone, I love it. I love this microphone. Don't test it out as it. And this is the other piece for somebody else. And this guy, this is the part that you put into the phone, like this. And it pair. So you pair. Yes, guys, so testing 1 2 3. Well, I guess it's working. And that's my unboxing. And guys, this is the next one. I'm not really gonna pull out this one as yet, so I'm just gonna give it a prick. Look, it's different. This one is different, but it's nice. This one is OSA wireless microphone, wireless technology. So guys, I'm gonna put this inside here. Yes guys, that's all for my unboxing. So in the future we'll be seeing more unboxing, and please remember to like, share and leave a comments. Chris Pastry and Blog. Thank you.